So I have uploaded few videos on my YouTube channel, Anand Network, uh, and but I think that now one more topic are left. Multiple topics are left, but I want today topic about the BGP state, right? So this is very important, even if you are working in your SD-WAN, right? You know very well that in SD-WAN on the transport side, on the overlay, we have OMP protocol. Okay. And that protocol administrative distance is 251. But the importance of BGP is still there because the whole internet is working on BGP, right? And if you have knowledge of BGP looking glass, just comment whether you have knowledge of BGP looking glass or not. If you don't have knowledge of BGP looking glass, then I will take one session on BGP looking glass as well, because this is very important, right? So for today topic, I have decided to create one video on the BGP states and the troubleshooting. So BGP state is your idle, correct, active, OpenSent, OpenSent, OpenConfirm, and established. Now, whatever knowledge I have gained in my 17 years in networking, today I will try to explain this all steps practically, right? About your troubleshooting in BGP, how we'll troubleshoot the BGP issue. Now, to troubleshoot itself further, you should know that BGP is application layer protocol, okay, and it works on TCP port 179. Okay, so whenever two BGP neighbor will try to establish, let's say my IP is 10.1 or 10.1.1.2, I have a connectivity. So they will send SYNAC and ACK. So first this three packet, this is called TCP three-way handshake. So this will always happen in case of your BGP protocol, right? So whatever knowledge I have, I tried to troubleshoot BGP in two ways. Either it can be caused due to TCP or it can be caused to the BGP. Now the state is idle, connect, active. OpenSent. Here we have to explain about the capabilities. This is very important. OpenConfirm and established. One more thing is important, that BGP is TCP, so we can build our peer with any different segment IP. 10.1 can be peer with 30.1 because TCP is routed, right? So your neighborship can be on different subnet IP as well. This is not true for UDP. This is not true for your OSPF. your EIGRP, your rep, even your layer 2 protocol like HSRP, VRRP, your subnet should be same. But in BGP, your subnet can be different, right? So idle connect active, right? So let's say if I'm doing, and these two commands are also important. So IP BGP summary, you will get BGP states here, and so IP BGP. This is just to check whether your BGP is up or down and which state it is. So it should show is in idle, correct, active. Will not see OpenSent, OpenConfirm, idle connect active, or it will see established in your so IP BGP summary. And so IP BGP will get BGP routing table. And in so IP route BGP, you will get the best route. That I will take as different session. What is so IP? What is the difference between so IP BGP and so IP route BGP? In so IP BGP, you will get all the routes. In so IP BGP, route BGP will get the best route. Now, if my session is idle or connect, maybe the interface is down. You check the ARP entries, whether you are not getting you do have the reachability issue. The BGP is yet not configured. This check you should do either your BGP is in idle or connect state. Interface should be down. There is issue with reachability and BGP is not configured. And one more command is very important. So IP TCP brief. This will also I will explain what is so IP TCP brief. This is transmission control block. Transmission control block. If your BGP is coming to active and then idle to active. So might be your firewall, the ports is causing the issue. Okay. If there is a firewall, then there is a rule that you need to say to your firewall team, my source IP is this. Let's say my source IP is 10.1.1.1. My source port could be anything. It could be random number. I want to peer with destination IP 20.1.1.1 and I want to peer on destination port 179. So you need to tell to your firewall to that I need bidirectional rule in your firewall for my BGP to get established, right? So this policy, because BGP session can be from both sides, right? So bidirectional policy should be configured on your firewall policy. Or maybe on your server, this port 179, not your server, the firewall is not allowed. So again, your BGP will come to active and then again it will bounce back to idle, right? So idle connect and active resemble TCP issues or reachability issue. So if your state is idle, connect or active, don't check BGP parameters, check your TCP issue or reachability issue. Now, OpenSent. Now, in OpenSent, check your AS number. Okay, you know very well that BGP is your IBGP or EBGP, right? So AS number should be properly configured. If there is authentication should be same. And apart from that, that EBGP multi-hop that already I have explained in my previous video, EBGP multi-hop or update source should be properly configured. So you need to check my videos as well for EBGP multi-hop and update sock in BGP playlist. Now, there is important thing which is called capabilities, right? In my BGP supports IPv4, BGP supports IPv6, BGP supports multicast IPv4, BGP supports multicast IPv6, BGP supports VPN v4 in case of MPLS, BGP supports VPN v6 in case of MPLS, BGP supports layer 2 EVPN, right? It supports eBGP. These are all called BGP capabilities, right? So sometime what happened that you enable IPv4 and let's say you enable your VPN v4. One side you enable IPv4 and you have not enabled VPN. So during your OpenSent, two capabilities will be exchanged, IPv4 and VPN v4. And from one side, just one capabilities will be exchanged. So there are two possibilities here. Either you will get your BGP neighborship formed, BGP neighborship will get formed. How will you check your BGP neighbor? So IP BGP summary. There is one command, so IP BGP summary or so IP BGP neighbor. Okay. Or the second possibility is that your BGP will reset, right? So if your BGP is reset, you can do wireshark capture as well. In the wireshark capture, look for TCP three-way handshake and check for any reset. If you have got reset, check why you got reset and you need to work on this reset flag. If it says capabilities mismatch, so you have to match the capabilities on both sides. Means if IPv4 and VPN v4 exist on one side, then you have to enable your IPv4 and VPN v4 on different sides as well. So in short, from my experience, I don't think this is in any book or on any video so far. Okay, I have not seen this type of troubleshooting. So idle, connect, active is your TCP issue in BGP. OpenSent, OpenConfirm. OpenSent is if you not confirm, again it back to your is idle state or connected state, and then you're established. This is your BGP issue. And one more thing, once your BGP is established, when you do so IP TCP brief, you will see this type of output, local IP, local port. You can do on the router as well. This command. So IP TCP, this is your transmission control block. Transmission control block. Foreign IP, foreign port. So if your BGP is 10.1.1.1, if your random port is 101, BGP established with 20.1.1.1, you will see this type of output. It means this router is active, other side is passive. If the output will reverse like this type, it means this is your passive router because the source port is 179. It means he is trying to pair. The source port is 101, random port. He is trying to pair with 20.1. Now, never do this command on your router. Clear TCP brief star. Your whole BGP will go down. Either on your router we have one BGP or 100 BGP pair. Every BGP pair will go down because BGP works on TCP. So never do clear IP TCP. This is not TCP. This is TCP. Transmission control block. Brief star. It will clear all the TCP session, and BGP is also TCP, so BGP will also get reset, or maybe you will lose your job as well. So these are the basic things. So please, I hope you will like this video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel, and please visit my website netguru.com and comment and forward and subscribe my channel, and you can post your comment after seeing all the BGP playlist video, which video you like more on BGP. I will prepare and upload on the YouTube channel. So if you visit my website netguruanand.com, you will get to know about me as well. So my name is Abhishek Anand, and you can text me as well 7061757704. This number is also on my website. So once you go on my website, just click on WhatsApp. I will get your message on my WhatsApp as well. So thanks for your support so far and looking forward for your comments. Thank you. Bye.